The square is an important emblem of this degree. The fellow craft is instructed on his entrance that this symbol should be the rule and guide of his conduct with all mankind, but especially with a brother Mason. What follows is the scripture recited to the man being passed to the degree of fellow craft. Though I speak with the tongues of men and of angels, and have not charity, I am become as sounding brass or a tinkling cymbal. And though I have the gift of prophecy, and understand all mysteries and all knowledge, and though I have all faith, so that I could remove mountains and have not charity, I am nothing. And though I bestow all my goods to feed the poor, and though I give my body to be burned, and have not charity, it profiteth me nothing. Charity suffereth long, and is kind. Charity envieth not. Charity vaunteth not itself, is not puffed up, doth not behave itself unseemly, seeketh not her own, is not easily provoked, thinketh no evil, rejoiceth not in iniquity, but rejoiceth in the truth, beareth all things, endureth all things. Charity never faileth, but whether there be prophecies, they shall fail. Whether there be tongues, they shall cease. Whether there be knowledge, it shall vanish away. For we know in part, and we prophesy in part. But when that which is perfect is come, then that which is in part shall be done away. When I was a child, I spake as a child. I understood as a child. I thought as a child. But when I became a man, I put away childish things. For now we see through a glass darkly, but then face to face. Now I know in part, but then shall I know, even as also I am known. And now abideth faith, hope, and charity, these three. But the greatest of these is charity. The apprentice is then given a short explanation and assurance. The object of the first degree is to symbolize the struggles of a candidate groping in darkness for intellectual light. That of the second degree represents the same candidate laboring amid all the difficulties that encumber the beginner in the attainment of learning and science. The entered apprentice is to emerge from darkness to light. The fellow craft is to come out of ignorance into knowledge. This degree, therefore, by fitting emblems, is intended to typify these struggles of the ardent mind for the attainment of truth, moral and intellectual, and above all that divine truth, the comprehension of which surpass understanding. I assure you there is nothing therein that is incompatible with your civil or religious duties, or with those higher and nobler duties which you owe to God, your country, your neighbor, your family, or yourself. With this assurance, do you still desire to proceed?